Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact shortcut that fires before the app, open its properties, and inspect the target and shortcut key. Once done, look for extra command line flags or helper executables appended to the target, because those often run first. Make sure to test by running the target file directly from File Explorer. This helps you confirm whether the shortcut wrapper or the app is causing the behavior. If you see a secondary helper in the path, pause. You will remove or isolate it in the next step. Next, remove any intermediary helper or wrapper that launches before the app, edit the shortcut and strip command line switches or chained executables. Once done, create a fresh shortcut that points directly to the app executable, set the desired working directory, and avoid using wrapper scripts. Make sure to scan Task Scheduler, Startup Folders, and Shell Context Menu Handlers. These often reintroduce pre-launch scripts. If the shortcut is pinned, unpin and repin the new clean shortcut so the system uses the updated target. Finally, test the new shortcut across contexts: desktop double-click, taskbar pin, and launching via a file association, because each route can invoke different handlers. Once done, verify no extra processes start beforehand by watching Task Manager during launch. If the issue persists, boot in safe mode or create a temporary user profile to isolate system-level handlers. This narrows down whether something global is intercepting launches. If nothing else works, reinstall the app or reset file associations. This often clears corrupted handlers and stops premature shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.